In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use DocuSign envelope status and history so you can easily track what's happening with your agreements at any time. Whether you're waiting on a client to sign, checking if a document was viewed, or confirming when an envelope was completed, understanding the status and history section inside DocuSign is absolutely essential. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and how to read the activity log like a pro. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard. This is where you can see recent activity, drafts, and completed envelopes. Next, from the top navigation menu, click on Agreements. This section shows all the envelopes you've sent, received, or are currently managing. Inside the Agreements view, you'll see a list of documents along with their current status. For example, you might see statuses like draft, sent, delivered, completed, declined, or voided. These status labels give you a quick snapshot of where each envelope stands in the signing process. Now, find the specific envelope you want to check in more detail. On the right side of that envelope row, click on the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. This opens a drop-down with additional actions you can take for that envelope. From this menu, click on History. As soon as you select History, DocuSign will open a detailed activity log for that specific envelope. This is where you can see a full timeline of everything that has happened. Inside the envelope history, you'll see entries such as when the envelope was created, when it was sent to recipients, when recipients viewed the document, when they signed it, and when the envelope was completed. Each action is timestamped, which means you can see the exact date and time each event occurred. This is especially helpful if someone says they didn't receive the document or claims they never opened it. You can verify the activity right here. You may also see additional technical details such as IP addresses, email delivery confirmations, and authentication steps depending on your account settings. This level of detail is extremely useful for compliance, auditing, and record-keeping purposes. If the envelope is still in progress, the history section will help you identify where the delay is happening. For example, you can quickly check whether the document has been delivered but not yet opened, or opened but not signed. That insight allows you to follow up with the right person at the right time. Once you're done reviewing the history, you can simply close the window or navigate back to your agreements list to continue managing your documents. And that's it. That's how you use DocuSign envelope status and history to track and verify every step of the signing process. It only takes a few clicks, but it gives you complete visibility and control over your agreements. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow DocuSign tutorials and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.